very much. This is by Transformer Prime Ratchet. It's a rare piece of Transformer. It's hard to find, and I'm lucky to have two of this. I'm lucky to have a two of this figure. Ratchet, Transformer Prime, robot in disguise. Na it's a rare piece that hard to find in the market. You can avail this, you can find this on some collectors or marketplace, but you don't find a brand new to say because this toy is released 2000 maybe 2011, 12, 13 like that year. But it's a good toy na napakaganda po. Nakikita niyo po ang kanyang articulation, ang kanyang posing po kung nakikita niyo. At the same time, ang ating background ng ating mga aquatic life. Thank you Nika Ja. Nice, sabi naman ni MU Pet Lover, good morning host. Like Dan, sabi ni MU Pet Lover, na marami po tayong mga pets na fish dyan na nagalangoy-langoy sila, di ba? Nandiyan po, oh. Kaya kung makikita nyo na at the same time na napapanood nyo po yung ating mga Transformer toys, ay nakakapanood po kayo ng mga aquatic life. Nakikita nyo na po na effective po ang ating masasabi natin filtration, na kung papakita ko po sa inyo kung gaano nakarumi. Pero ang good thing is, yung mismo aquarium ay hindi po gano'ng dumumi. Yun ang kagandahan, di ba po? Yun ang gusto natin. We love to have a clean aquarium. So, we should have a better aquarium filter for us to have a clear water. Like I design a simple filter for my aquarium. It's more than a month without cleaning, without changing water. Diba? Kaya napaka sarap po, napakasaya po na isa-showcase ko po sa inyo yung mga ganyan na mga ganyan looks. So, as you can see, yan a vehicle form and a robot form of Ratchet, the medic. As you can see, very nice. Thanks to MU Pet Lover, Kabakal Vlog, Aylana Sinads, at saka si Nika Ja sa pagdaan po sa ating live at sa panonood po ng ating live. Kaya lagi pong sumubaybay sa ating live.